Today is the last day of Ramadan. Alhamdulillah. This month of Ramadan was peaceful, at the same time the worst memory of all time, because there's no peace, there's no blessing. I don't know if there's a blessing part. I don't know. Alhamdulillah, it's over now. No one's accused of no one. I'm just sitting, eating freely. I'm just freely. They do whatever they want. I don't care. I'm just eating, do my own business, and Alhamdulillah. Ya Allah, why do you give me stress this month? I'm just trying my best to be a good Muslim. Anyways, let me go to my room. Oh my God, I knew it. Uncle Adam's eating a sandwich. Oh my God. Destiny. I was about to bring my camera, but somehow Destiny is telling me that you're gonna fail. Destiny.
Abdullahi, ma aragtay maxaa geedkii oo xag yaal oo markina aan ku dhahayay in ii fixid garay. War geedka xag yaal oo aan ku dhahay ii fixid garay ma aragtay. What do you mean? Oh my gosh! He's eating!
Yeah, he's eating. And you knew that.
No, I didn't know.
Mom.
I didn't know beginning of today. And today it is the last day of the Ramadan. Is this what happened?
Actually, so.
No. Is this what happened? Is this what I have been complaining on you? Missing and fridge in the food and sink in the food. Even my room, bathroom, and I'm had laundry.
Mom,
and today I see his room. Is he eating something?
Mom, like I told you, a few days ago I quit. And I quit to show you the proof as much as I can.
But you haven't shown me anything. You haven't shown me anything. That is not my fault. That is your faulty. Okay? You're supposed to have your phone with you. As soon as you record, you have to come to me and show me.
You knew.
No, I didn't know it, but I discovered today. I only discovered today. Come over here. Okay, come over here. I know. Come over here. I have been accusing you.
If you want to talk to him.
Hey! What happened to you? The Ramadan? You know what? I'm glad to see you today. You are eating.
It's not what you look. It's not what you look like. Bye. I'm sick.
No. I have been accusing beginning of the Ramadan Abdullahi.
It's not me. Abdullahi, why?
There is some food missing in the fridge. Who ate? Abdullahi. It is in the sink. Abdullahi. Laundry. Abdullahi. Inside my room. Even I found inside my room chocolate, and I don't eat chocolate.
Abba, it's not me. It's Abdullahi. But this is my first time eating.
No. I cut you up. I never cut Abdullahi. That is even he drinking anything. He always praying and doing and sleeping, reading Quran, although he praying fast like a chicken. But today finally I found, and let me, you know what? I have to apologize, Abdullahi, and you are the one is guilty. I see that eyes. I see guilty pressure.
Forgive me.
Ooh, what a selfish desire. Selfish desire.
Abaya, please.
Please. I see your structure on your face that shows you are guilty.
No.
Nobody can truth me. Do you know me? I am Bariirah. A lot of people try to prank on me and they never win. Even Ab himself and Sarakin, they try to prank on me and they lost it. Hey! Nobody can win over me. No! I found you. You know why I found you? Because I am honest. But Uncle Haram! Bye! And your Eid is gonna be hell in the cell.
My mom, my Hoyo, she found Uncle Haram. Somehow destiny, all that bullcrap. This, I don't know what to expect.
Abdullahi. Well,
You got what you wanted.
well, you know, and
Ramadan will be coming next year, but my timing,
listen.
time will come back. Time will not come back.
Are honest. When you are honest, the true oven will white itself widely. Do you know that? So that you can see through in there what is the truth is. So the patient you have been and the pain you have been through, it is all responsibility, Uncle Haram. Because every food that I have been missing, all the food I have been missing, in the sink, in the fridge, in the room, the locker room, and closet, and even I saw closet and the bill of the banana inside my closet. I saw the yogurt inside my closet. I was just zipped my mouth. The bathroom, that was the biggest thing. I was like, okay, you know what, Abdullahi, you know what? By the time he will never ever have this Eid, I won't let him to be happy. But when is gonna be Eid? Tomorrow. And guess what? The truth is open the door. The truth is Salif. Open the door widely and bam! Uncle Haram is there. You will have whatever you wanted. I'm gonna take you whatever, the biggest store, the mostly expensive store in this world. I'm gonna take you and buy double clothes, even not one clothes, one and pair clothes.
Mom,
hold on, let me finish.
Mom, please. Like, I just want to tell you, no amount of money will make me happy, to be honest. Even if you give me a lot, even if you give me $1 billion, it's not gonna make me happy.
I know, but today...
Because you haven't give your trust in me. That's one thing, it hurt me. This whole 30 months. The more you don't trust me, the more I'm just hurt. Like, am I actually a son?
I know, but the truth,
I just want my mom.
the truth expose itself. The truth today, the truth expose itself. The truth expose itself. So you don't have to worry about. Okay? You don't have to worry about the pain you have been through. All this stuff is Uncle Haram will pay back. All this stuff is Uncle Haram will pay back. Okay? Don't worry, okay?
I have trouble.
Don't worry. I know you feel pain. I know you feel pain. I know you feel pain. I know. But Uncle Haram will be back, okay? Uncle Haram will be back. I know you have been suffering. You have been in ignorance. You have been humiliated. You have been you have been in hypocrite. So today, all the stress will go away. The Uncle Haram will revenge. Okay? Don't say anything.
There's one thing you have not learned your lesson yet. There's one thing. Can I be honest with you?
Mm-hmm.
This whole time you blame me. You blame me. You blame me. And now you blame him. But still, like forget blame other people. Think about what yourself. You must blame yourself. Who you trust.
Today I'm trust you.
I'm talking about this whole time. Who do you trust? And you should blame yourself this whole time. Don't blame other people for your own action, for your own trust issue. I'm just saying.
I mean, today, what you have been through, and
Call me,
whatever, I even call you name that I hated to call you, and I really apologize. But you know what? Although I wasn't trusted on him, even he put lowest on him, so he will be nothing. Even if he tell me the truth, it's gonna be nothing at all. So I really apologize. Would you accept it?
I have to accept it.
Okay.
Because you're my mother.
Okay.
Hello guys, Eid Mubarak. This is the end and the finale of the season Ramadan skit. I hope you guys are entertained and watch all this stuff. Yes, I still have tears in my eye, don't worry. What's this story about? Something that's a clear message for each and every video.
It is true message.
True message?
Something happened. But something happened. It is not something we, and think about, oh, we have to do this stuff. But this is what happened. This is what happened most of the time. When every Ramadan is coming, this is what happened.
Although our action was so funny, so hilarious, but each and every moment in each videos, there's always a message, there's always a serious way, because that's life. And we need to know what's our mistake, what's our success, what do we need to change to go and become a successful family, like a happy family, because this is more like a family situation. So if you feel that you need to prove something, don't prove anything. My advice for you guys is believe in Allah. Allah knows your destiny. So, assalamu alaikum. Thank you, and I'll see you tomorrow. Yes, there will be a new video tomorrow on App Nation TV.
I really appreciate.
Shawty hit my line and she's tryna get up on me. I tell her la habibti, that's too hard on wallahi. Where they are, I was raised with Somalis. Everyone got a friend named Abdi. I'm from OT 613.